Welcome to the channel, guys. Hope you are doing good. So today we will be discussing about the product of OK Life Care, which is Joint Gym. Before moving further, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Joint Gym is a joint care product. Joint Gym helps in bones and joints health, arthritis, and mobility and flexibility. Joints are parts of the body where two bones meet and help you move your body freely with ease. Any damage to the joints due to disorders and injury can restrict your movement and may cause joint pain. You can alleviate discomfort associated with backaches, frozen shoulders, overexertion, and arthritis by using our specialized formulated product Joint Gym. In today's busy lifestyle, almost every person suffers from joint pain in their knees, hands, elbows, and shoulders at some point in time. In most cases, this is caused by the most common type of arthritis, osteoarthritis. Joint Gym is an Ayurvedic effective formulation that works in harmony with nature to reduce joint pain, stiffness, muscle sprains, and age-related joint problems by stimulating synovial fluid production. It relieves joint and bone aches associated with various orthopedic ailments. It restores joint mobility and helps in strengthening bones and joints. It is the best herbal formulation for a joint's overall health and functioning. So, if you are enjoying today's video, do hit the like button. Now, we will be discussing some key benefits of Joint Gym, which are it promotes joint and bone health by suppressing the inflammation and swelling of joints. It slows down osteoarthritis-related damage to the joints. It is useful in alleviating bone disorders like rheumatoid arthritis and gout. It is useful in increasing the mobility and flexibility of joints. It prevents the destruction of cartilage tissue, tendons, and ligaments. It is the most effective muscle relaxant, a strong pain reliever, and also helpful in relieving lower back pain. It helps in the prevention of the bone demineralization process. So, thanks for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Like and share the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. So, see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.